Hello guys, welcome back to another video. If you're tired of spending money on 3D assets, textures, or materials for your Unreal Engine 5 projects, then you're in for a treat. Today I'll be showing you 5 incredible websites packed with completely free assets that you can use commercially, whether you're making games, films, or anything else inside of Unreal Engine 5. Some of these sites you might already have heard of, but I guarantee they have hidden gems you didn't even know existed, and the best part is that all these assets won't cost you a single penny. So stick around to the very end, because at the end of the video you will have 5 new go-to sources for high quality free assets that will take your projects to the next level. So let's get right into it. So the first website for free assets is Kenney Game Assets. Kenney Game Assets has been around for over a decade. He's a real OG. He has loads of free asset packs ranging from a stylized low poly 3D platformer kit. You have this food kit, this Lego brick kit, and free character packs like this Minecraft style blocky characters. There's just tons of free assets to pick from, and the best part about it is that it is a Creative Commons license, meaning that you can use it commercially in your games or projects, and you don't even have to worry about things like attributing the creator. However, I do recommend giving credit where it is due, especially if you guys enjoy any of the free asset resources that I'm about to show you in this video. So definitely reach out to the creator, donate to them, show them some love, as these are just some massive free asset resources that are incredible for creating games and getting started with game development. For me personally, these commercially free asset packs are just a lifesaver for me in particular, because I'm always creating either tutorials or courses on how to make games inside of Unreal Engine, and I rely heavily on these free assets for all my videos or tutorials. I even recently took this blocky character pack from the Kenney Game Assets website and went and created animations for them. So I set them up as actual playable characters inside of Unreal Engine 5, sort of like recreating Minecraft. Anyways, I'll have to do a separate video on that, but yeah, definitely do check out some of Kenney Game Assets, link in the description below, and show your support by donating to the creator. All the assets on his site are 100% free, no strings attached. So the second free asset website I want to highlight is Quaternius. The guy recently released a ton of free high quality asset packs, including this medieval village mega kit, this fully stylized modular medieval village kit that features over 300 plus free assets that come in GLTF, Blend, OBJ, and FBX formats. He also has this sci-fi kit, which also has a sort of semi-stylized realistic sci-fi ship interior. And these are just some of the new asset packs that I recently discovered since the last time I visited his website. So it seems like they are always releasing new free asset packs all the time. We've also got tons of other free asset packs like this zombie apocalypse kit. They have this pirate kit that just has tons of these cartoony characters. They have this cube world kit, which is honestly one of my personal favorites. In fact, some of these free assets I've imported into this Unreal Engine project that you can see right here. You can see all the animals and characters come fully animated, so it's just ready to go out of the box. All you have to do is import them into the engine. And honestly, this is just a game changer, because if you're trying to prototype a game, or maybe you want to learn game development, these are just perfect resources for you to get started. Now, speaking about getting started in Unreal Engine 5, I forgot to mention this video sponsor. If you guys are looking to make your own game inside of Unreal Engine 5, I've got something for you. I've created an in-depth course on how to build a multiplayer survival game inside of Unreal Engine 5. Whether you are a beginner or experienced developer, this course will teach you everything you need to know, from networking to gameplay systems to things like optimization and polish. It's a perfect way to dive into Unreal Engine 5 and start creating your own games. So what are you guys waiting for? Check out the link in the description below to enroll in the course and start your Unreal Engine journey today. And with that being said, let's get right back to the video. So the third free asset resource or website to check out is Lousberg's itch.io. It's a nice resource for some free asset packs. Now, there aren't a whole ton of assets on this website, but there's quite a bit of stylized assets ranging from this medieval hexagon pack. Kind of reminds me of the Settlers of Catan board game. And you have some skeletons character pack. We have this adventure character pack, some dungeon assets, Halloween asset pack, and just much more. It's important to note though that some of these assets do come with different versions. So if you want some of the free assets, if you want all of the free assets, it comes with, the base amount. However, if you want to get the full access, you will have to pay for the extra content. So just something important to note. Anyways, moving on to our fourth resource or website for free assets, we're going to be looking at the website that you guys are probably already familiar with or probably already heard of. That is Sketchfab. Sketchfab has always been my personal go-to if I need a specific free asset, and it's not that hard to filter by free assets that you can use commercially. Just go over to the asset search on here and filter by downloadable. Then under the license, you need to select the following. You want to uncheck CC BY ND, CC BY NC, CC BY NCSA, and CC BY NCCD. Basically, these are all the licenses that won't allow you to distribute these commercially. Also, you can uncheck standard and editorial, and that will filter out assets that cost money. And this will allow you to use these assets commercially as long as you either credit the original author, or in some cases, they don't require you to give any credit at all. So this is honestly how I've been able to get some free assets for my tutorials and courses, because this is just one of the best resources. However, it is important to note that these assets on this website come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, meaning that the quality varies since literally anyone can just upload a 3D model to this website. So I tend to look at things like the file format, the poly count of the item, and the overall topology of the model, just to see if it's something that I can use. And typically you can go into things like the wireframe to check out, how the model looks, and also the file format. If it's in a strange format, you will have to import it manually into Blender and export it as an FBX file in order to import it into Unreal Engine. So do expect to do some manual work if you are going to be using some of these free assets. Personally, I have no issues with that in particular, but for some people, that's a complete turnoff. Now, the last website or resource for free assets, as some of you already might know, is fab.com. More specifically, the permanently free collection of free assets and Unreal Engine sample projects. This is honestly probably my #1 go-to place for free assets, and some of you may be saying, well, I already know this place existed, but hold on for 1 second and let me show you just all of the free assets that are on Fab right now. There's just hundreds of high-quality AAA characters. All you have to do is search for Paragon. There's tons of these free military vehicles, and this is just filtering by Unreal Engine assets by free. And you can also check out some of the Unreal Engine sample projects where you will find even more free assets that you can use commercially. So some of these old outdated sample projects comes with tons of sounds, animations, models, props, and so much more. Take for example the old shooter game project back from Unreal Engine 4. This thing has a free first person and third person character model, all animated with different assets. All you have to do to get this is download Unreal Engine 4 and migrate the assets to Unreal Engine 5. And there's just tons of stuff to pull out of these old sample projects. Even if they are years old, they are still really great resources for free assets. And not to mention some of the new free asset sample projects like Project Titan, which features over 7,000 free stylized assets. You can watch my full video reviewing every single one of those assets on my channel, by the way. In addition to these assets, most of you may already know that Epic gives away 6 free asset packs on Fab every single month. These are normally paid assets that actually cost money, but Epic makes them free to claim, and if you claim them during that month that they're free, you'll own them forever. And I also, in addition, do monthly asset review videos whenever these free asset packs drop. So if you guys want to check out those asset videos and stay up to date whenever those free assets are released, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Anyways, those are my free asset websites or resources for getting free assets. You honestly don't have to spend any money on assets, especially if you guys are new to learning Unreal Engine 5. There's just tons of free assets and resources that you can use. Now, if you guys ended up enjoying this video and if you found at least one of these websites useful, I'd greatly appreciate if you leave a like on the video and also comment down below what you guys thought about some of these websites. Also subscribe for more future Unreal Engine 5 content. And if you guys want to learn how to make games inside of Unreal Engine 5, definitely check out my multiplayer survival game course, link in the description below. It has over 250 plus lectures and over 70 plus hours of course content. And that's pretty much it for this video, so hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.